Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reduce CPU temperature in Windows 11 and Windows 10, or how you can easily reduce your CPU usage on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if we check your Windows CPU usage performance, and then you see that the CPU is about 100%, then this is going to make your Windows computer really hot and the temperature is going to rise. Now for you to lower or reduce the CPU usage temperature, all you need to do is click on the start button, then search for control panel. Open your control panel. On the control panel, if you have the category option just like this, click on category and select small icons or select large icons. Then under adjust your computer settings, locate and click on power options. Then after that, come to balanced recommended where you see selected plan and click on change plan settings. Now under change plan settings, locate and click on choose advanced power settings. Under advanced power settings, select advanced settings and then scroll down. Then here, locate and expand processor power management. Then expand maximum processor state. There you go. On battery, this is going to be on 100% at maximum. This is specify the maximum performance state of your processor as percentage and unplugged as well. Then click on the percentage and reduce this to 90. So 90 is recommended and it's perfect. So once that is reduced to 90, click on apply, then click on OK, and there you go. So that's one of the fastest way or the easiest way you can use to lower or reduce temperature usage on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.